I want to marry that girl. Akbar said, name? He said, Anarkali. You want to beat someone, they want to kill. You are preparing for IS. And your room partner cries throughout the day. I will give SSC also. I will do MB also. Law of temperature, pata hai na? Law of temperature. Many people die in winters in Delhi and North India in order to become Singham. And Jahangir writes in his autobiography, कि my father was correct. Jahangir said to Akbar, I am in love with the girl. Akbar said, very good. Aristocracy has only two things to do: love and administration. Carry on. He said, no, it's a tectonic love. Akbar said, tectonic? ये कौन सा love है? अच्छा, carry on, tectonic, carry on. He said, no, I want to marry that girl. Akbar said, name? He said, Anarkali. बोला वो, अरे बोला बेटा, you are a crown prince, crown. Your territories from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and Gujarat to Northeast. Tomorrow you will be the emperor. Every day will be a challenge. With those challenges, when you will come back to your wife and you will narrate the challenges, what she will do? She will stand up and dance. ये मेरा लहंगा बड़ा है महंगा. Anarkali was given safe passage and Jahangir was beaten. Later on, Jahangir was married to Noor Jahan. She was a daughter of an Iranian noble. When you read that NCERT, Vipin Satish Chandra, you will find a separate heading, Noor Jahan. And when Jahangir was imprisoned by his own noble Mahabat Khan in Kashmir, Noor Jahan takes the military expedition and brings back Jahangir from Kashmir, and Jahangir writes in his autobiography. Only two Mughal rulers have written autobiography. One is Babur, other is Jahangir. And Jahangir writes in his autobiography, कि my father was correct. You are coterie. The people with whom you sit, dine, wine, they should be very dangerous. They should be very dangerous. You want to qualify IS, they want to contest the election of member of parliament. You want to beat someone, they want to kill. Whenever you will be with the people of high temperature, your temperature will always be maintained. His advisor, Rashputin, magician in the court. And his wife Zarina was under the influence of Rashputin. Throughout the day he used to show magic in the court. Throughout the day, Rashputin. And throughout the day Zarina used to scream in the court, "Aur dikhao, aur dikhao." Magic. अब इस तरह के अगर तुम्हारे एडवाइजर होंगे, एक तो तुम्हारा दिमाग वैसे ही खराब है, your mind is not functioning properly, and then you are advised by the people with the absent mind. You can imagine what is going to happen with you. Law of temperature पता है ना? Law of temperature. What is law of temperature? Law of temperature is that temperature moves from high to low. If the temperature of Pune becomes -1, you will wear the sweater. Why? Because your body temperature is high in comparison to the outside temperature. So if you go out in t-shirt, you are wearing a t-shirt, roaming on the streets, -1 temperature, and your entire heat goes into the atmosphere, and then you are holding a cigarette and standing, finish, your game is over. Many people die in winters. Many people die in winters in Delhi and North India in order to become Singham. A thin t-shirt and then sitting on the bullet and black specs. कि अरे हमें ठंड थोड़ी लगती, ठंड उनको लगती नहीं, उन्हें मार डालती है. Law of temperature is very dangerous. If the people around you is of low temperature, you are preparing for IS, and your room partner cries throughout the day, okay, I will give SSC also, I will do MBA also, next year I will join law. Every day he will suck out your temperature, every day. You will never understand why you are in depression.